We've grown from 30,000 square feet to over 300,000 square feet.
When I started here in 1983, most of it was done with cutting torches and hacksaws, and today we hardly use those. We have CNC equipment.
When you talk to any of the employees, you feel the passion. You don't only see it, but you feel it. The sense of you're part of a team, you're part of a family.
My family members have worked here throughout the years. Even on my first day, I felt so welcomed by everyone. Yeah, they're just all really good people here, and the company cares so much for their employees. They do so much for us.
To make a trailer from the beginning to the end takes a lot of different skills. We have a lot of hands-on craftsmen and women that build these trailers hands-on. It takes a variety, and it takes everyone, and it takes a team to do it.
We do our best to make sure that our trailers go out almost perfect. Like, they don't leave this plant unless they have been checked over by the quality person thoroughly.
We have to make sure that everything works perfect.
I would say the quality aspect is definitely a high priority.
The main objectives is to build a premium first-in-class product.
Well, we want to give the customer the best product we possibly can.
Our job is to make sure we follow that. That can be very interesting because it'd be lots of different things that you get to see there and learn about.
That we strive hard to make sure with our laser technology today, we can cut the part exactly like it's supposed to be, and it fits in place nicely.
When it boils right down to it, a customer expects the product to work.
We won't sacrifice price for quality. The components that we put on are not the least expensive, but we do know that they are the best. When that trailer leaves our yard, we want to make sure that that unit is going to serve our customer well.
Companies that last 40 years, they've done something right, they've done something different.
Well, it kind of starts with our whole company. I feel we got a company that makes the customer feel we're more of a family.
It's not a secret. Our customers are very happy with our product, and they know what they're going to get every time.
If the job is worth doing, it's worth doing it right the first time.
To support our product and have 100% customer satisfaction, 100% is a tough goal, but
quality comes before quantity. It's our technology that gives us that quality that we're looking for.
We need to make sure that it's going to stand up, it's going to be durable.
It's truly a company that knows how to be innovative, yet knows how to produce a trailer that has high quality standards every time.
When you hold yourself to a high standard, your customers don't have to.
We understand that our customers use these products to make a living.
When you hear employees go on road trips and they come back and they say they counted with their families how many trailers they saw on the road, and they looked at the serial number and they said, I welded this trailer.
When I see one that maybe I have a personal connection with, I sometimes point that out. Hey, I designed an aspect of that trailer.
Anytime I see them out in the field, it's a good feeling to see your product going down the road working well.
It is a sense of accomplishment.
It just gives you a feeling of ownership.
I feel proud that I'm part of an organization that is well known and respected.
It's great, actually. You see so many of the trailers, I'm like, oh, I probably touched that one up. It's really exciting.
Not only are we family owned, we are also a family. It's all about its people, and it always has been about its people, but the ownership, that's where it starts.
Our employees are as much of a partner in the process as the ownership is.
You feel very open.
That teamwork atmosphere permeates everything that we do.
You belong to a family where they care about you.
So when I started here, it felt like home. Communication is key. Everybody feels part of it.
24% of employees have worked 15 or more years with the company.
The things they do for families and the things they do for community. And
Like our burger days, the picnic that they throw us every summer.
When they told us, my daughter's getting a bike, it gives you goosebumps, like, wow.
I like the family atmosphere. You can talk to the owners, you can talk to different people in management. There's open door policy.
It's almost like you don't work for them, you work with them. That's the way they make you feel.
With a sense of, I belong here. This is my family. We work with each other. We work together with the family to make this happen.
I was just proud to be part of the team.